All right, class, these are the notes for for section 11.4, parametric symmetric equations. I know my handwriting is really bad. It's really tough on an iPad with a stylus. It's even tougher than the smartboard, believe it or not. Anyways, if you're given a point, call it x1, y1, z1, and you're given a vector, a, b, c, you can make what are called parametric equations. These three represent parametric equations. Okay, it's the x1 plus your alpha value in the vector times t. Y would equal y1 plus your b value, your y value in the vector times t, and z is your z value from the point plus your z value from the vector. Okay, these are called parametric equations. The t typically will stand for time. Okay, in a three-dimensional vector set, the t will stand for time because that's what these are. These are also vectors. Okay, so basically, this would represent at a certain time where you are at on some vector. So this would be time whatever, time some number 3, this would be time 2, and so on, out to whatever this turns out to be. Okay, so t is time. So parametric equations use t for time. Symmetric equations solve for t, so the t is eliminated. These are the equations for them, and I'll show you after you get your parametric equations the steps to take to get your symmetric equations. So here we'll do example 1. Example 1, you're given a point right here, and you're given a vector. So what we're going to do is turn these into parametric equations. X is going to equal your x value from the point plus 2, your x value from your vector, times t. Y will be -2, your y value from the point, plus your y value from the point times t. And then lastly, z is again this 4 plus that. So 4 minus 4t. These are your parametric equations for example 1. Your symmetric equations, you're going to take this equation right here and solve for t. Okay, so to do that, first we would subtract the 1, and then we divide by 2. So you'll get x minus 1 divided by 2 for that one. Okay, next we'll change it to green, and you're going to put an equal sign here because all these are going to equal t, which is eliminated. So to solve for t here, we're going to add 2 to both sides, and then we're going to divide by 4. Okay, so this turns into y plus 2 divided by 4. And then the last one here, the z equation, we're going to subtract 4 and then divide by -4. So it would be z minus 4 divided by -4. So these are your symmetric equations, and they come right from your parametric equations. Okay, if you need help getting from here to here, just ask me. Okay?